about that? That was amazingly quiet. Once we're in a pickup truck and redirects engine lift down at slow speeds, allowing the C-17 incredible control in our directed lift configuration. These devices literally change the shape of the wing and are key to its low final approach speed, enabling this aircraft to land and stop on short, unimproved airfields. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready, as this will be your best opportunity to take photos of this state-of-the-art machine. From the left, the low-speed pass. Five-story building. Here it is from the right. The aircraft's wide 150 pickups, or if you're out somewhere in the southwest U.S., get this, it weighs more than 400,000 diamondback rattlesnakes. This capability is simply one more the C-17's toolkit in combat. In the hands of a skilled crew, there aren't many places the C-17 can't go. The crew will soon demonstrate the combined potential of all of the C-17's capabilities and assault landing to a combat backing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this will occur in just over 1,000 feet. Shorter than an aircraft carrier, there's no other aircraft on the Earth that can perform this maneuver. Here it is. Within the confines of a runway. Very, very unique capability you're seeing here from your hometown aircraft and crew. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so honored to have them here with us. Well, up next, we have a pair of flyers that have made their way up all the way from the state of Washington. They're going to fly two aircraft that are just going to be absolutely amazing. Everything they do is graceful and beautiful, but what I want you to know